Try to get him to come upstairs voluntarily, and if he doesn't come up, then
this is the top block, and this is the bottom, I think.
Okay.
The square one. And there's... I do.
Okay. All right, if you see anybody coming.
His door's shut.
Robert, right? Hey, Robert! Fairfax County Police, I need you to come up. He's locked. Robert! Fairfax County Police! Need you to come upstairs. I hear steps. No, I don't. Okay. I'll hold this.
Clear.
Everybody holstered up? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to open it? You want to hold it?
It's locked. I'm going to try it. Robert! Fairfax County Police, I need you to come up. So.
It's up to you. It's up to you. I mean, that might be pushing the buttons a little bit.
Robert! Need you to come upstairs, buddy. I hear something. Be quiet. Robert!
At 12:23 p.m., officers established verbal contact with Jablonski.
Yeah, I need you to come upstairs. Nope, you coming with us. You gotta come up here, we'll talk about it.
Hey Robert, we can't leave, man. We gotta help deal with this problem today. Come on. We're not charging with anything. We have an emergency custody order for you, though. From Merrifield?
It's from the magistrate. He ordered it.
They'd like you to speak with a clinician today to check up on your med usage.
Officers continued to speak with Jablonski for 15 minutes, asking him to come upstairs. He refused and grew increasingly agitated.
I understand, Robert.
No, you don't. You're still fucking here. The first one down here died.
Well, we're not going to come down, Robert. We're going to give you that respect for your space.
Hey, Winter, I'm gonna fucking kill her before she fucking wakes up tomorrow.
Can't leave now. You got that? Did you hear that? He's going to kill Mom before she wakes up tomorrow.
I start fucking killing people, they put their hands on me. That's you're supposed to arrest them and protect me. And after I'm done with her, I figure out who you are and I come after your fucking kids. You do not fuck with me in America.
At 12:38 p.m., Jablonski's verbal threats of violence towards his family and officers posed an immediate threat and required officers to stay on scene. The duty officer made the decision to isolate and contain Jablonski to de-escalate the situation. Officers tactically repositioned outside of the home and awaited further resources.
Yep, alright, we'll set up on the house. Alright, cool, we'll do that. Alright, thanks, bye.
I think we need to back out and set up on the house. Yeah, okay.
At 12:59 p.m., Jablonski exited the home with a compound bow and arrow and aimed the weapon at officers at full draw.
Hey, put it down! Put it down! Hey, compound bow! He's got a bow! Put it down! Put it down! He's got his bow out. Put it down!
Strong back and point. Put it down. There's the strong first.
He's aiming it. Put it down.
Law enforcement meeting here. I ain't putting shit down. Fire me up, motherfucker.
Stay on the ground.
Don't move! You not move your hands! Well, not move your hands! Buckle. Oh.
R1 Bravo, paramedic, yeah. 10-4.
At 1 p.m., EMS was requested. Medical attention was provided by multiple officers on scene until they arrived. Jablonski was taken to a nearby hospital for further treatment for non-fatal injuries. Jablonski was charged later that day with one count of attempted aggravated murder of a police officer.